Make Halo here. Today I want to make another video. It's to thank you guys for 15 subscribers, and I'm sorry about my recent video where I was on the server trying to tell you guys. I think they shut down because for some reason the server won't connect. And another thing about my other video is if you guys heard that clicking sound, I'm gonna show you right now what it was. It was them. Yeah, I have 2 pet rats that made that clicking sound yesterday, and so hello. Okay, I got 2 of them, so they were licking their little water bottle thing, and so it made that kind of clicking sound kind of thing. And it was really, I didn't actually notice this since I'm used to them doing it, so it really didn't bother me, but it was this going like that, and so that's what that noise was, if you guys were wondering. And sorry I haven't been uploading a lot of videos because if you might know, it's my dad's in the hospital, so I don't get enough time to be able to record, do all the stuff like that, and yeah, just stuff like that. I'll be recording a video in a little bit. I just gotta do something else, and yeah, it'll be another server review because I promised you guys yesterday that I'll be making another one for the server review. But I think the server that I showed you guys yesterday closed down because it's not working for me. Like, it's not loading at all. If Enzo, if you're watching this, I want you to comment in this video if you close the server or what's the new IP or whatever, because I'm wondering why. So the old IP will be in the description just in case he just shut it down so that he could add plugins or anything like that. And I'll add my in-game name, so if you see me on the server, you can say hi to me, ask me questions, whatever you guys want. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.